when we're photographing with a macro lens, let's see how you work with it. I'm going to take my good friend, Abraham Lincoln, and I'm going to set him right there. And I'm going to take the Canon 5D. I'm going to switch the lens to the close-up setting in live view so I can see through the back. And I'm going to push in until right there, old Honest Abe is in sharp focus, and it's just his eyeballs on the $5 bill. You can see the lens is about 4 inches from the end of the lens, probably about 8 or 9 inches from the camera on your subject. This is what I use for close-ups. I can photograph the dial on my watch. I can photograph a California poppy. I can photograph a strawberry so it fills up the frame with a 100mm macro lens at this working distance. That's why I like a 100 or a 105 macro the best. Now, like I said, $800–900 for these lenses. Nikon's 40mm macro, $279. The Canon 30mm macro, about a little over $300. The 60mm Canon and Nikon lens is about $600. So that's what it takes to get a macro lens to do close-ups. I want you to investigate a macro lens. Come on down to your local camera store, come down to Paul's Photo, and if you choose to buy a macro lens today, we'll give you one of our photo walks for free. So come on down, try a macro lens, let's do some close-ups together, and we'll get you out on a photo walk with us where you can experience macro photography and having fun with the camera and making great pictures. Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy, inviting you to come down, try a new brush, try a new lens, and make better pictures.